Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and here is the Huawei Mate60RS Ultimate Design Edition. And today I visited the Huawei offline store and we're going to hands-on and talk about this most advanced smartphone from Huawei, the Ultimate Design Huawei Mate60RS. And as we all know, they stopped the cooperation with Porsche, and so this after they stopped the cooperation with Porsche and bring us the Mate60RS Ultimate Design. Let's see how this phone looks like and how the specification about the device. So here is the basic price information, and bring us two colors, black and red. You know, for Chinese they really like the red colors, and it's very happy and attractive. And also this time I hands on the black color. So for the Mate60RS edition Ultimate Design, here's the specifications. And the chips, they use the Kirin 9000S and support LPDDR5 plus USB 3.1 RAM and ROM. For screen, they use the Kunlun second generation glass with a micro curved 1.5K display resolution, 6.82 inch screen, and for the camera is support 48 megapixel ultra wide plus 40 megapixel wide angle plus 48 megapixel long lens, and support 100 times mixed digital zoom performance. And also the satellite, compared to the Mate60 Pro and Pro Plus, it's got a dual satellite connections, Tiantong satellite communication and Beidou satellite communication. This is more powerful compared to the Mate60s. And also for the battery, 5008 watt fast charging plus 50 watt wireless charging and 20 watt reverse wireless charging. Yes, OLED screen and 120Hz refresh rate and Harmony OS 4.0. So this is just basic information about the Huawei Mate60RS Ultimate Design. Very cool. Okay, so now enjoy the beauty, the design of the Mate60RS. It's like the octagon camera zone design, and also for the official news CC, and the rear S element into the back panel of the ceramic material back panel. So this is pretty nice design, and also a very classical Huawei design language to use. Here is the camera. Yes, a very simple camera test. And also I forget to mention that for the satellite, for the Tiantong is for message, for talking, and for the Beidou is for message only. And also when you see hold this Ultimate Design on my hand, is not so big actually. The length 163 and V79 and thickness 8.1, so it's very acceptable for the size dimensions. And also the weight is only 242 grams. Very nice. And also we test the 100 zoom performance of the device. And also I forgot to mention that this device supports the IP68 rating, dustproof and waterproof, and also the fingerprint and the screen fingerprint, NFC. So that's basic, the flagship model from Huawei. And yes, we can check from different angles and really like the back panel design makes this phone more luxury compared to the Mate60, especially for the camera, octa camera design. Because you know this integrated Huawei Porsche design language, but this time they also add new air to this back panel, and also for the back panel they combine the leather with ceramic, the shiny part and the matte and the non shiny part combined well. The ceramic with leather, and also the edge, and also from this angle you find the lines are pretty cool, I will say. Yeah. So what do you think of such ultimate design smartphone from Huawei? And also to put the X-Image in the middle of the camera dome, and also the size is very acceptable as I mentioned. And the Harmony OS 4.0 also pretty fast and very smooth. Now it's a top 2 popular OS in China. You get 40 million users now in China. So the wide angle, zoom 3.5 and 10 and with 100. It's still powerful. Yeah, so this is a quick and simple hands-on video about the Huawei Mate60RS RT Design Edition. Make a comment and let me know your thoughts about this device, the new flagship model from Huawei, and more pictures we can enjoy it.